Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your applications secret on your iPhone by making them go invisible in this hidden folder. So what you want to do is go to an application and hold down on it. So if we go to the Photos app, for example, we can go to Require Face ID. Now this one we can lock with the Face ID, but the ones that we can download through the store, we can actually lock these in a hidden folder. So if we go onto one of these applications, maybe like Facebook right here, hold it down on this, go to Require Face ID. We can go to Hide and Require Face ID. Now you have to scan your face in here, and then we should be able to hide this in the folder. So let's scan my face one more time. All right, it worked. Now what we can do is go to Hide App. Now this application is going to be hidden under the app library in this hidden folder right here. Tap this, scan your face one more time. So let's do this one more time, and I'll unlock this folder. So you can see in this hidden secret folder, my applications have appeared now that I scan my face. I can see WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram in there. Just hold down on the app, and we can go to Don't Require Face ID. It will be removed from that folder. You just have to scan your face one more time. So if you want to lock an app in there and make it invisible so no one else can see it, just put it into the hidden folder. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.